Hello and welcome to this Sunbeam cleaning and descaling video for the Origins Slimline Espresso Machine. Sunbeam coffee machines are expertly designed to make your coffee ritual at home more effortless. And we've made the cleaning easy too. Keeping your coffee machine clean on a regular basis means it will continue to deliver great coffee time after time, and your machine will last longer. Let's begin. Before we get into the programmed cleaning and descaling cycles the machine can perform, it's essential you clean your machine on a regular basis to help maintain it. We recommend running water through the group head before and after making an espresso. After every use, we recommend rinsing the group handle and filter basket with warm water and cleaning the steam wand with a damp cloth and purging after use. On a weekly basis, ensure to use a mild detergent to wash the group handle and filter baskets and give the drip tray a thorough clean as well. As deposits of coffee and oils build up over time, weekly also purge water through the group head by turning the dial to the 1 cup setting. Cleaning ensures the taste and operation of your espresso machine. You can use the steam wand pin provided with the machine to further clean the steam wand. When it's time to perform a clean cycle on your Sunbeam Origins Espresso Machine, this icon will illuminate. The cleaning cycle removes coffee oil buildup and has a different function to the descaling cycle. The cleaning cycle takes approximately 5 minutes to complete. Ensure the water tank is full or has at least 1 litre of water in the reservoir, and check the drip tray is empty. The machine should be on and warmed up, in the ready state. Place the 2-cup filter basket and the cleaning disc into the group handle. Place 1 Sunbeam cleaning tablet in the middle of the cleaning disc. Insert group handle into the group head. It's a good idea to place a container under the group head so we don't have to empty the drip tray again. Press the clean button quickly 2 times. Both presses need to be within 3 seconds. The machine will beep and the cleaning cycle will start. The clean light will pulse during the cleaning cycle. Water will purge into the container and small amounts of water will pour from the group handle spouts. At the end of the clean cycle, the unit will beep 3 times and will automatically return to the ready state. Empty the container. Handle the hot liquid with care. Remove the group handle from the group head. Check that the tablet has dissolved. To thoroughly clean the steam wand, add a Sunbeam cleaning tablet into the milk jug with warm water and leave it to soak overnight. Alternatively, you can unscrew the tip of the wand and leave it to soak. For the cleaning cycle cleanup, purge the group head by turning the dial to the 1 cup setting for water to flow through. Allow water to run through until it stops and empty the container. Handle the hot liquid with care. Wash the group handle, cleaning disc, milk jug, and wand tip in warm water with a mild detergent. Rinse and dry. Refill the water tank. The machine is now ready for use. Your machine will prompt you to descale when the clean light flashes. Firstly, fill the water reservoir with 1 litre of warm water and add 1 Sunbeam descaling sachet. Allow the solution to fully dissolve. Place the water reservoir back into position. Place a 1 litre container under the group head and another under the steam wand. Ensure that the dial is in the vertical ready position and that the machine is on. To access the descaling program, press and hold the clean button for 3 seconds. The unit will beep and the clean light will pulse all through the descaling cycle. The descaling cycle will start automatically, and hot water will run from the group head and then steam wand. Over the cycle, the pump will make different noises. The machine will beep once and pause for 2 minutes, then repeat the process. 3 beeps will be heard when the descaling cycle has finished. The steam wand and group head now need to be purged clean with fresh water to remove the descaling solution. Remove the water reservoir and rinse thoroughly under running water. Make sure all traces of the descaling solution have been removed. Fill the water reservoir to the max line with clean water. Empty water from the containers and replace them. Press the clean button for 3 seconds. The pump will start automatically and half a litre of hot water will run from both the group head and the steam wand. To indicate the completion of the descaling cycle, the machine will beep once and the clean light will stop flashing. We hope this video has been helpful. For more tips and tricks, go to the Sunbeam Coffee Hub for more how-to videos.